we are this morning. As you can see, it's a lovely day. This is the dedication we have just to dye wool. Well, it's not bad for me. I haven't made my usual mess, but there's some of the cherry blossom sky. This always reminds me of balls of jelly. Where's Dominique at? Let's have a look. What are you making?
This is Freetham. It's just going to go a bit darker as it cooks.
Yup.
One of our most popular.
Are we switched on?
Yes, we're switched on.
Hey, happy Dominique in the rain.
A little bit damp, but it needs doing.
I'll stay in the shed. Bye. Poor Dominique's outside. I'm inside, in the warm, mixing the colours, which is a lot better to do, but making lots of mess. Special order I'm doing. Dominique's Christmas jumper. And she wanted it in grey. I don't know if you can see it there. It's a Donegal with the coloured speckles in. It's really nice.